Okay, hello, Art 2, or whoever is doing the Tritone project. I want to walk you through the supplies and materials I have, okay, and what you're going to need. If you have not picked up your supplies from the Media Center, there are a few folders still there, chock full of supplies for this project. If you can't pick them up, then I suggest you go buy the materials, okay? They're materials, the art supplies, you can get them at Michael's or online. First, you need your printed resource, which is 8.5 by 11, non-pixelated. Resources with a whole lot of curves in there are going to be the best, and you want to print it out in black and white, okay? Please don't try and find something small and try to enlarge it and pixelate it. You want a crisp, clear, as good quality as possible. I'm using this painter's tape, and I'm sorry, let me back up a little bit. I'm going to wind this camera up slightly. There we go, so you can see a little bit more of my page. There we are. Let's focus here. Okay, I have this blue painter's tape at the edge, and that attaches my resource securely to the back of my vellum paper, okay? Now, I have the benefit, because I'm at school, I'm using a light table. You do not need a light table. You can use a window on a sunny day. It's absolutely fine. Now I'm going to zoom in a bit. And I'm showing you, I took a picture of this gourd, this crazy gourd here. I just love this because of all the bumps and surfaces and different areas. Oh, I'm just dying to draw this, okay? Look how crazy it's really a cool thing. Okay, I have my 6B pencil. All right. If you picked up supplies from here, I included a 6B pencil. I also have an X-Acto knife to keep my graphite super crisp, nice and pointed. I don't want sloppy, fuzzy lines here. The crisper my lines, the better, because that will make a better transfer. You can also rub the graphite on a piece of sandpaper to make sure it's really, really crisp, okay? So I have a nice point. All right, I have this on my light table. I'm going to bring my camera down as close as I can get so you can see. And I'm just going to demonstrate quickly what you do. Everything is attached. It's on a light table. Let's find the area. Is this the area here? Yeah, I think this is the area of my gourd. So you see how these lines, they kind of swoop up over, and then it goes down into this deep canyon of this gourd and then back up again. I want to try and communicate that. I want to communicate form and value with line. So as I'm looking through the light table, I'm going to take my sharpened pencil and I'm going to start bringing in, and I've already started this because I have to demonstrate this for the in-person students, I should say, not children, sorry. Okay, and the closer my lines are together, the darker my value. So maybe when I am in this canyon here, my lines are super close together. There's not a whole lot of light. The drawing on the vellum itself is going to be beautiful. We will eventually transfer this to the tinted paper, the colored paper. Now, notice none of my lines are straight. Everything is curved. I have all of these like bulbous areas here, okay, on this crazy gourd. So nothing is going to be straight. When let's say you're drawing a hand or you're tinting a hand, if you would follow, honestly, if you would follow like the wrinkles on your hand, the wrinkles in your skin, that will help guide you as far as what kind of line to make to start to shade this, okay? If you get this far, all you have to do this week is kind of transfer all of the value to your vellum paper. It's an extremely enjoyable activity, okay? And I hope you really like it. I'm going to crisscross some of my lines here, okay, without getting too crazy. I don't want to get too complicated, so I'm just going to build this up and kind of create my own little world here. The the values will play off one another. Like I don't have to record every single value as long as my darkest values that I draw are darker than any other part of my drawing. So I'm making my own little rules here. But that's all you're going to do is take this on here up against a bright window and see how it goes, okay? I'll show you how to transfer this next time. Thank you.